Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to CII and special thanks to Dr. Nagar, whose team insisted that I am here, travel to Chandigarh. I come from a outside industry, not from pharmaceutical, not from healthcare. So I have a different perspective. I look from outside. So I look at the statistics and what Dr. Nagar said, that was something different. What we hear, that India is widely recognized as pharmacy of the world. So this is what from the outside we know. And this is due to India has been the leading provider of affordable medicines, vaccines at low cost, at high quality. So if we look at the statistics, it is 20% of the global demand which India takes care. In terms of generic medicines, 62% of vaccine demand. If we come to healthcare, we have been growing very, very fast. India is becoming a medical tourism hub. It has turned out to be a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is expected this market to reach around $13 billion within 2026. And again, this healthcare industry is also driven, or the growth of healthcare industry or turning out to be medical tourism for the global customers is because of it is high quality and low cost procedures which our industry is able to provide to the world. Coming to the MedTech, especially on medical devices, India again is the fourth largest market after Japan, China and Korea in Asia. And globally, if you look at it, it is among the 20 largest markets in India. Our exports on global, MedTech equipments has crossed $4 billion. So if we look at statistics, we are in the leading positions, be it healthcare, be it pharmaceutical, be it MedTech. But yes, there is a lot to be done. When we talk about scaling MedTech and Pharma, in India, especially in North India, the real question is not just about the capacity, but the capability. The capability to deliver safe, compliant, and globally competitive healthcare outcomes. One very basic and foundational aspect I was also wondering that I did not take out my phone. Whose phone is here? Look like mine only. So I was saying one very basic and foundational aspect which is often under discussed about this capability is the indoor environment, what we say indoor air quality. Whether it is the pharmaceutical manufacturing, hospitals, diagnostic centers, MedTech production facilities, air is not just a utility. Rather, it is a critical raw material for healthcare. It directly impacts product quality, patient safety, infection control, regulatory compliances, and workforce health. North India already has a strong pharma manufacturing base. The healthcare is rapidly expanding in infrastructure, and there is deep technical talent available. The opportunity now is to integrate these strengths with future-ready infrastructure standards, including clean air, energy-saving systems, and digital monitoring. We talk of AI, digital procedures. There is a lot to gain out of it. There is a lot available to improve our processes. From my perspective, scaling competitively will be driven by three enablers. First is trusted quality with compliance. Second, technology-led efficiency. And third is, most important, ecosystem that encourages collaboration between industry, healthcare providers and policymakers. If we embed indoor air quality and environmental performance into our healthcare and life science infrastructure today, North India can not only scale faster but scale safer, smarter and more sustainably, positioning itself as a global benchmark for healthcare excellence. Thank you.
I think you've left us with very, very encouraging words. I think the skepticism of the morning is now turning out to be in positive mode. Ki North India can scale up both in MedTech and Pharma sector. And I think these are great words to take home for.
In fact, we were part of a delegation from Bangalore, because I come from Bangalore. Around 38 people from 25 companies. We met, we were in Lucknow months back. Means that Ulta Pradesh is now actually Uttar Pradesh. Somebody said that Uttar Pradesh means हम उत्तर देने के लिए तैयार हैं, आप आइए हमारे पास. We are really accountable what is happening, and that is a big change. And Uttar Pradesh is, I say, is the biggest part of North India, and which is changed 180 degree. So that is also very encouraging. A lot of investment is coming. So definitely there are good prospects.
And we have our partners from Invest Punjab. So I'm sure उत्तर जोर से भी देंगे.
बिल्कुल.
उत्तर ही नहीं देंगे, ये जोर से उत्तर देंगे.
I think somebody has to lobby for it. For indoor air quality, there were no standards, but BAS has come up with the standard 2 years ago. They adopted ISO standard. So it is just copy paste, and they say in the standard also it is ISO, and there is nothing wrong in it. So it can be done, but somebody has to lobby. So there were, bodies which were lobbying, working with BIS to adopt ISO standards, which is well respected and accepted in the industry.
Request Mr. Shailesh Nigam to be felicitated by Dr. Nagar.